Hello friends, this is Crochet Mandala round 1, and the board has a lot of notation that is involved in making this, and so let me see if I can further clarify this diagram shown. This little black dot slippy stitch, and it is shown here after making 5 chains. Then you slip stitch at the 5th chain from hook, and then on the first round it also shows here where at the ending of the round then you slip stitch onto the beginning 3rd chain. And this is for the left-handed crocheter, and this is for the right-handed, and this works the same as asterisk. The only difference is that there's usually a number after the closing parenthesis. And it's very self-explanatory, so I'll just go ahead and do what the diagram says. So I'm using number 18 nylon thread, I'm using 3.50 millimeter crochet hook. So let's begin. The crochet foundation is a chain 5 ring, this one. So I'm gonna make a chain 5 ring. So make a slip knot, tighten, and then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then slip stitch onto the 5th chain from hook, counting from hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do not count the loop that's still on hook. You count the chain that's under the crochet hook. So slip stitch on the 5th chain from hook to form a ring. So the first round is made up of double crochet. This little bar with 2 cross is a symbol for double crochet, and so I will be making 16 double crochet all around the chain 5 ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this counts as a double crochet.